Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the same Microsoft account is signed in on both devices. This is the identity that links notebooks. Once done, open OneNote on the iPad and on the laptop to initialize cloud storage. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and the apps are up to date because updates fix sync bugs. Now create or open the notebook you want to sync on the iPad. That triggers initial upload to OneDrive so the laptop can fetch it. On the iPad, go to the notebook list, swipe left or open Notebook Settings and tap Sync Now to push changes to OneDrive. This forces an upload. Meanwhile, on the laptop, open OneNote and navigate to File, then Info to view sync status so you can watch for errors. Make sure each notebook shows OneDrive as its location because local notebooks won't appear on the other device. If you see pending or stalled items, wait until the upload completes before proceeding. Once the iPad upload finishes, refresh the notebook list on your laptop and open the notebook. Changes should appear. If entries conflict, OneNote shows conflict pages. Resolve by choosing the most recent or manually merging content so you don't lose notes. If nothing appears, restart OneNote on both devices and sign out, then back into your Microsoft account to reset the link. A key troubleshooting tip: check your OneDrive storage quota and clear space if uploads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.